Hi there, friends. Today we're going to meet one of the sweetest, fluffiest little birds you could ever imagine, the cockatiel. With their round little cheeks, their bright orange spots, and that adorable crest bouncing on top of their head, cockatiels have a way of stealing hearts the moment you meet them. But before you fall completely in love and bring one home, let's take a gentle journey together. We'll talk about what to know before owning one, their charming personality, all the little things that make them so irresistibly cute, and of course, their favorite meal times. So grab a cozy seat and let's get to know this tiny feathered friend a little better. Bringing home a cockatiel is a big, wonderful decision, but it's also a promise. Let's talk about what that promise really means. First, cockatiels live a long time. On average, they can live between 15 and 20 years, sometimes even longer with good care. That means this little bird isn't just a pet for now. It's a companion for many chapters of your life. Second, cockatiels are social little souls. They bond closely with their favorite person, and they don't like being left alone for too long. If you're someone who's away from home constantly, it's worth thinking about how much time you can truly give them each day. Third, they need space to stretch their wings. A cage alone isn't enough. They need daily time outside of it to fly, explore, and just be a bird.
Cockatiels are incredibly affectionate. Once they bond with you, they'll often follow you from room to room, chirping softly just to stay close. Some will even call out for you the moment you step away, as if to say, "Wait, where are you going? Don't forget about me." They're also wonderfully expressive. That little crest on their head isn't just for looks, it's like a tiny mood dial. When they're excited or curious, it stands straight up. When they're relaxed, it settles down gently. And when they're startled, it flattens completely, like a soft little alarm. Many cockatiels love to whistle. Some learn little tunes from their favorite humans and will proudly whistle them back throughout the day. It's one of the most heartwarming things you'll ever hear in your home. They can be a little dramatic too, in the most endearing way. If they feel ignored, don't be surprised if they let out a few attention-seeking chirps, almost like a gentle reminder that they matter. And they do. Every cockatiel has their own personality too. Some are calm and cuddly, happy to sit on your shoulder for hours. Others are curious little explorers, always investigating every corner of the room. Getting to know your own cockatiel's quirks is one of the sweetest parts of the journey. Let's be honest, this is the part we've all been waiting for, because cockatiels are, without question, one of the cutest little birds in the world. There's the way they tilt their head ever so slightly when something catches their curiosity. Big round eyes, full of wonder, looking right at you as if to say, "What's that? Can I see too?" There's the way they sleep, standing on one tiny leg, head tucked gently into their fluffy feathers, looking like a soft little cotton ball perched quietly in the dark. Bath time is another adorable moment. Give them a shallow dish of water and they'll splash and flutter with pure joy, feathers flying everywhere, looking utterly proud of the mess they just made. And then there's the crest, always moving, always telling a little story of its own. Up when they're thrilled, relaxed when they're content. It's like watching a tiny, expressive character in every moment of the day. Some cockatiels will even do a gentle little dance, bobbing their head and stepping side to side when they're especially happy. It's impossible to watch without smiling. Now, let's talk about something every cockatiel absolutely adores: mealtime.
A healthy cockatiel diet is built around a good quality pellet mix, which provides balanced nutrition for their little bodies. Alongside that, a mix of seeds can be offered in moderate amounts, since seeds alone aren't enough on their own. Fresh vegetables and fruits make wonderful additions too. Things like small pieces of carrot, steamed broccoli, apple slices, or a bit of corn can bring real joy to their day. Watching a cockatiel nibble happily on a favourite vegetable, tilting their head with each little bite, is one of the sweetest sights you'll ever see. Of course, there are foods to keep far away from them because they can be seriously harmful. Chocolate, avocado, onion, garlic, caffeine, and alcohol should never be given to a cockatiel, no matter how much they beg with those big, curious eyes. Fresh, clean water should always be available too, changed daily to keep them healthy and happy. And here's a little secret. Mealtime isn't just about nutrition, it's also about bonding. Offering a small treat by hand, gently and patiently, can become one of the most precious moments you share together.
And there we have it, sweet friends. A gentle look into the world of the cockatiel, from what to know before bringing one home, to their tender personality, their undeniable cuteness, and the meal times they cherish so much. If you're thinking about welcoming one of these little feathered friends into your life, just remember, they're asking for time, patience, and love. And in return, they'll give you years of chirps, cuddles, and the sweetest company you could ever ask for. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. We hope you fall in love with this little bird just as much as we have. Until next time, take care and we'll see you soon. Tweet!
I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love, moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love, moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for.
60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Carried it all, cobbling miles as we go, a line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple prose. And I'd find you if I could, invite you to the final act. But I think it's understood nothing good can come of that. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Yesterdays are between us now.
Asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that tactical sign. Same ball cap, same worn boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town the truth don't stall. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on but not too far, just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small.
60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now?